Welcome. In this video I will show you how to rename HDMI inputs on your DREAME TV. First of all, press the gear button on your remote control to open the quick settings menu, then go to all settings and select channels and inputs. Here select inputs and then select the input that you want to rename. For example, in my case I'm gonna rename HDMI 1. So in HDMI 1 menu, I'm gonna have to select edit names and then select one of the three available preset names such as media player, game console or HDMI 1. Or in order to select a custom name, to create a custom name, we're gonna have to select a custom name option and then enter the name in here. So in my case, I'm gonna name this input PS5. So let me use the on-screen keyboard for that. PS5, then OK to confirm, and right now the input is renamed. And if I press the input button on my remote control and start scrolling through the sources, we'll see that the HDMI 1 input is now called PS5 with PS5 EARC, and that's basically how you rename your HDMI inputs. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.